Good morning, respected judges and fellow participants. My name is Bagas Nurjanto, a proud student of Universitas Islam Darul Ulum Lamongan. I come from Lamongan, a coastal area in East Java that is rich in culture, natural beauty, and tourism potential. Today, I would like to present a project that is not only close to my academic background, but also close to my heart because it is inspired by the people and the place I grew up in. So, let me begin with a simple fact. 85% of tourism workers in Pachiran, one of our coastal districts, are unable to communicate in English, and yet this area receives over half a million visitors every year, including many international tourists. So, what's the problem? Despite having high tourism potential and strong local values, the community lacks the language and digital skill to interact with the international tourists. This creates a huge gap between opportunity and reality. To solve this, I propose the Digital English Learning Village or DELVI, an integrated learning strategy that combines English training, digital literacy, and community empowerment, specifically designed for coastal tourism areas. The program will form five learning clusters engaging 150 local participants, including fishermen families, youth, and tourism workers. Over 12 months, we aim to achieve 80% improvement in basic English proficiency, 20 English-based digital content, and 25 trained tourism ambassadors. We use blended learning, combining community-based English lessons, mobile app support, and real-world practice with tourists. This is supported by UNISTA students as facilitators and local cafe with internet as learning spaces. Why is this impactful? Because Telvi is more than a course, it's a movement. Boost the local economy and turn passive communities into active tourism players. In fact, we project a 30% increase in foreign tourist visits within 18 months. With strategic support from universities, local government, and the private sector, this model is scalable and replicable to other rural tourism areas in Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not just about teaching English, it's about giving a voice and confidence and agency to communities who deserve to be heard on a global stage. Thank you. That's all from me.